more crap on my butt. I'm gonna install this right now. Okay, I gotta get that nasty dirty bolt off on either side of this toilet. Gotta pop these up and hold on to that while you unscrew the thing on the back. Okay, now I got the toilet seat off and I've turned off the water. On this one it's by pulling this and I'm flushing it to remove the water from in here so that not much drips out when I disconnect this. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And there's a little bit of water coming out. I've got a little rag there for that. It's not going to be too much. I hope. There we go. Besides some instructions, this is what you get. Looks like a little Teflon tape. And then there it is. It's going to sit right on there. It's pretty cool. Put a little Teflon tape on there. Not too much. I'm going to kind of aim this around so that other tube, I'll have this one going in and then this one coming out over here to the unit. So it comes with this little plastic wrench, which hopefully will help me tighten that on. It seems to, it's pretty weak. It seems to be doing the job. Just gotta make sure my other connections are tight enough. Same deal on this connection. A little Teflon, which used up the rest of it, and tightening it down with this plastic wrench. Okay, now I just mounted it in there and I've got it finger tight. And I'm gonna twist it down the rest of the way. Make sure it's tight on both sides so the lid isn't moving around, and then I'll try it out. Okay, I just turned it on. You can hear it filling up. I'm looking for leaks in here. I think it's good. Okay, now let's see how it works. That's on low. That's on high. That's some force there. And then nozzle clean. We turn that to nozzle clean, and it cleans the thing off. There we go. It works.
Awesome.